Hey guys, it's Michaela, and today I'm going to walk you through how to stop iTunes from asking for a password on app install. Basically, if you're trying to download a bunch of apps, be it free or purchased, how do you get iTunes to stop asking for the password every time? And if you want that to happen, want that to stop, I'm going to walk you through that right now. The first thing you want to do is to go to your settings in your phone and hit on settings. And then right underneath the word settings, it says your first and last name. Just click on that. And then once here, we're going to navigate down to media and purchases. Go ahead and click on that. And then it gives you three options here. What you want to do is hit on password settings. So we'll tap that. Basically, this is your password settings for all your iTunes purchases when you're going through the App Store if you want to turn them off. Now, you can't turn off completely the password requirement for purchased items, but however, you can change it from always requiring a password to 15 minutes. So if you want to buy an app, if you put your password in, you have 15 minutes from that moment to purchase as many apps as you want to without it requiring another password. There is, another option if you want to have, when you're downloading free apps, you can turn off completely the requirement for a password by just toggling off. Mine is already off right here. If you toggle this off, then it will turn off the need to get a password when purchasing free apps. So it's two different options. During free apps, you can turn it all the way off or turn it all the way on, where you can either never give a password or always give a password. And when you're dealing with free apps or purchase apps, you can have two options there: to always require the password or to only require a password once and then give you a 15-minute grace period to purchase as many apps as you want without a password. Those are your only two options. There's no way to turn it all the way off for both purchased and free downloads, but this does give you some leniency. If you guys have any questions on that, let us know in the comments below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.